Okay, to rivet a bezel to a piece of metal, you need to have a hole in both the bezel and in the metal, and those holes need to be the same size and they need to correspond with the thickness of the rivet. So I've punched a 1.6 millimeter hole in both. It's best to use a drill to punch the hole in the bezel, or you can do a screw down hole punch if it's tall enough, but a hole punch plier will just smash it. So I just showed you there what the rivet looks like in there. Now I'm going to pull it out and cut it. You obviously can't cut it down in the bezel. I mean, maybe you could, but it's difficult. So I'll put it right back on. I just want to leave enough material to rivet it down, which is typically about 1 millimeter. Okay, so now I've got everything lined up, and I'm going to take my 2.6 millimeter crystal setter and use a flat part to tap around the tip of that wire, the very, very tip, to start to splay it out. Now I've used copper here just so you can see the contrast. You can sort of see how it's looking. And I'm just moving the flat part of that tool around in there. You can use any tool for this as long as it's flat and can fit inside the bezel. That crystal setter just works really well. So I'm going to come in, now that I see that everything's nice and steady, and give it a couple of really good whacks to flatten it out. Looks good, and it's on there really strong. You can see the back. Again, I would have done this with a silver rivet, but I just wanted you to be able to see the contrast. Okay, so that's how to rivet a bezel on, but let's just go ahead and finish the project. So what you're looking at here is some bezel setting tools. You need to find the one that sort of surrounds your bezel so it can pull it in. It's got a cone-shaped inner part there at the tip. So I'm going to grab a 5 millimeter. It fits really well on the outside of the bezel, and as I tap it, it will pull the bezel in. And I just tap it down super, super lightly with my plastic mallet. I'm barely hitting it. You can even just use your own strength and kind of push it down if it's a very soft bezel. So you can see I'm just doing little bits at a time. I don't want to crack that crystal, but hey, look at that. It's riveted on there nice and strong, not going to come off. So this works great for if you want to add a bezel to a piece of metal that you can't solder onto.